So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download ISDone.dll. Now once you're on this website, we're going to scroll down. You want to go with the first download that comes up. You're going to click on download. It's now going to start downloading in 5 seconds. Wait for this to load. And we should now have it right here. If it did not start downloading for some reason, then you're going to click right here, download ISDone.dll. So now once you have the download, you're going to right click on it, and then click on show in folder. It's now going to be here in our downloads folder. And then once you have it in our downloads folder, you're going to right click on it, and then click on extract all. Now you're going to untick this, and then click on extract. We're now going to be having another folder called ISDone. We're going to double click on it, and you now want to find the ISD1.dll file. So now once you have the DLL file, you want to right click on it, and then click on copy. You want to copy the DLL file. And now once you've copied that, for the next step on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down, and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that, and then click on Windows. Now we're going to paste this DLL file into 2 folders called System32 and Sys64. So for the first folder, System32, we're going to scroll down till we find System32. Here it is. Double click on it. We're now going to paste the DLL file that we copied earlier into this folder. So you're just going to right click on the blank space, and then click on paste, and then continue. It's now going to be pasted into this folder. Now we're going to click on Windows again. You're going to scroll down a little bit, and then click on Sys64. And then do the same thing. Right click, and then paste. And then continue. We've now pasted this DLL file into these 2 folders. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to the next link, which will be down below in the description, to download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. We're going to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. We should now have the installer right here. If you don't have it, then you're going to click here to download it manually. So now we're going to click on the installer, and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on I accept, and then click on next. We can untick this, and then click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on next again. Wait for this to load. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start installing the components. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're going to click on finish. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.